Have you ever looked up at the bright, glowing moon and wondered what it would be like to walk on it? Well, someone actually did it. Let's blast off on an adventure to meet the very first person to leave footprints on the moon. Meet our hero, Neil Armstrong. He was a brave pilot and an astronaut, which basically means he was a space explorer. In 1969, he was chosen to lead a super important mission called Apollo 11, to go where no human had ever gone before. To get to the moon, Neil couldn't take a car or an airplane. He needed a rocket called the Saturn V. It was as tall as a 36-story building and roared like 1,000 lions when it blasted off into space. Neil and his two astronaut friends, Buzz and Michael, traveled for 3 whole days to get there. Imagine sitting in a tiny room for that long without a TV or a shower. They zoomed through space faster than a speeding bullet. When they arrived, Neil and Buzz climbed into a smaller ship called the Eagle to land. It was super tricky because the moon is full of giant rocks and holes, but Neil steered it safely down. The Eagle had landed. On July 20th, 1969, Neil climbed down a ladder and took the most famous step in history. He said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." He was officially the first person to stand on another world. Walking on the moon was like being on a giant trampoline because there is less gravity holding you down. Neil could bounce around like a kangaroo. He collected moon rocks and took pictures to show everyone back home. Neil Armstrong proved that even impossible dreams can come true. And guess what? Because there is no wind on the moon, Neil's footprints are still up there today, waiting for the next explorer. Maybe it will be you.